there everyone, it's Misty here from the Jolly Fat Elf. Thank you so much for joining me. Hey, hi, hello. I finally have my bullet journal set up for 2025. So I've been talking now for a couple of months about how I wanted to do a bullet journal specifically for kind of my health, mental health kind of journey. And I finally got it set up. I got all of my yearly stuff set up. I haven't done a monthly yet. I am planning on doing February. We'll talk about that when we get there. But this is a Strawberry Shortcake-themed bullet journal. I struggled a lot with this. I'm going to leave some of that in, but I'll cut out the rest. It was a challenge. And then I did like a Dutch door for my future log and I screwed that up. At that point, once I got all of my year in pixel trackers in, I was like, I'm done for now. I'm done for now. So it still turned out hella cute. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. I do plan on doing monthly setups with that, I believe, because I still have a planner for everything else. And that will probably be this weekend too. I plan to have this video probably go up on Saturday. It may go up on Sunday. But I'll have a February setup of my regular planner at some point in your life and in my life too. So yeah, so I do cards during the week. We do planning stuff on the weekend. Yeah, I'm a one-stop shop, y'all. I'm a one-stop shop for card making inspiration, tutorials, and then planner content as well. So yeah, so if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. We hit 14K and my goal is to hit 20K by the end of the year, and I think we can do it. So if you like this, feel free to share it with your friends. But yeah, without further ado, let's head over to the craft table and look at this really cute Strawberry Shortcake themed bullet journal. I cannot wait to show you this bullet journal. Okay friends, first I apologize that there's so much stuff on my desk, and number two, I feel like this is a weird angle, so I don't know if my camera was angled weird or something. I don't know. So I initially was hoping that I could draw lines on all of these pages, because one common theme throughout Strawberry Shortcake is all of the characters have green and white stripes for the most part. Not all of the animals do, but all of the socks are green and white striped, and I believe at the bottom of Huckleberry Pie's overalls are green and white striped. So I knew that I wanted green and white striped in the background. So I attempted to do this with washi tape and markers, and that was a disaster. I ended up like gluing together 6 papers at the beginning of this journal because I kept messing up, and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go print them off and cut them out. And that's exactly what I did. So I printed off just long green strips, and then I cut them out with my trimmer because my Cameo wasn't working at the time. And so that's what you see me doing here. Now, this made my planner so bulky. So if I had to do this again, I would not like have it go in the spine. Initially I wasn't, but I was like, well, this is gonna be hard to line up, blah, 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 blah. So yeah. So for my cover page, I found a strawberry font on Creative Fabrica, and I printed out 2025, and I just cut those out. And then I'm going to go around the edges. You guys have seen me do this if you watch any of my card making videos. I'm going around with brown because everything is lined in brown, and I'm just using a brown Ohuhu paper friendly, I think is what they're called. I don't know if they're better than their original ones or not. These are the water markers. They're good. I like them. But I can't speak to Tombow or anything like that because I just can't invest that much money in markers for a bullet journal that I'm going to hope to use, but can't promise that I'm going to use. So for the cover page, initially I was going to go with one of those big stickers, and then I found these small little stickers that have the character along with their sidekick. So Strawberry Shortcake with custard, orange blossom with marmalade, the little butterfly. We have lemon meringue with frappe, Huckleberry Pie with pupberry, what's his name? I don't remember. And then we have raspberry tart, and then blueberry muffin. So I decided to go ahead. I have a ton of these stickers. If you missed it, I showed a sticker haul. These all came from Shein, and then some of them came from, what is that place called? Pip Sticks, I think. Okay, so we're moving on to my future log, and I was like, I loved this Cutie Pie sticker, and this is where I wanted to use this. So I was like, I don't need it to say future log because I know what it is. So I'm going to draw in some lines, and this is where I'm going to cut, and this is going to be my Dutch door. Now, yeah. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing that I did on the other page. I'm adding in the stripes. And then I'm going to bring in that sticker, and then we're going to do some washi tape as well. And I sped through a lot of this because I cut this was like 3.5 hours. I cut it down to 16 minutes. I swear I deserve a medal. So here is where I made my first mistake. And I was like, Misty, luckily that blade didn't go through. Here's my second mistake. I cut this with scissors. If you guys know me at all, you know that I am awful at cutting. So I should have just used the blade and put a mat underneath it. I'm using my We Are Memory Keepers corner rounder to do this. Not the best. And here I'm bringing in, I bought the calendars from Hubman Chub Girl. They are, they're clear, transparent, and I thought they would be great on this. So, but first I'm going to put down some of this washi tape. I got the washi tape, I believe it's from Pip Sticks is what it's called. I got it around Black Friday, but it's so cute. They have a whole set of Strawberry Shortcake washi, and I just thought it was adorable. So I'm using that on the top of the Dutch door to give it just a little bit of decoration. And I wanted it to have a little bit of separation from the top as well. Now I will say this, I don't love this washi tape. I had an issue with it. It wasn't really sticking, etc. So here I'm counting dots for my calendar. This didn't work out. It didn't work out. I tried. I really did try. Yeah. I really did try, but you can see here I'm erasing all over the place. I was really getting frustrated, and finally I was like, you know what, I'm just going to wing this. We're just going to wing this. I'm just going to wing this, and it will be fine, and if it's not fine, then I will figure it out. So Hubman Chub Girl claim that their stickers are removable. That is not the truth. They are not removable. They will rip up the paper underneath. I don't care what anybody says. Maybe their vinyl ones are removable, but the regular ones are not. So I'm putting down January through March on one side and then April through June on the other side. And you can see, I don't know what I was looking for, but you can see that it's pretty chunky. So this is the next day because I'd gotten so daggum aggravated. So I'm bringing in a red Ohuhu, and I'm going to draw a line in between the calendars. This is a future log. I'm using this as a future log. I have doctor's appointments and stuff documented in this. The goal of this bullet journal, which I haven't even talked about, is to track my symptoms, pain, doctors, those kind of things. I think I'm going to put my meal log in this. I haven't really decided where that should go. So this is going to be all about health. I wanted it to be cute, number one, so I would be drawn to it and use it. And number two, I didn't want this part of my regular planner because I wanted this to be something that I could take with me to the doctor and be like, look, see, this is everything that's happening, in my life, how I'm sleeping, brain fog, my mood, depression, which I think are two different things, and then so on and so forth. So that was the goal of this planner, but I knew that I wanted it to be Strawberry Shortcake-themed. This is where I realized I messed up. So this is January through June. This is January through June. This is January through June, meaning this is where it should have gone. I was just like, Misty. And I was like, I'm not messing with it. It'll be fine. I will figure it out. It'll be fine. So I just went on and put July through December at the beginning. I was like, it doesn't matter. It'll get used. It'll be fine. So I just went in here. You can see I messed up. So anyway, got it all done. And now I'm testing my pink markers to see if I have one that I want to do second line highlights. Joshi Corinne does this, and I think it's really clever and a good way to have space to write. So I really like the look of it. I think it's pretty, and it pulls the colors out of the stickers really well. It did a good job matching. I did a good job. And here I've sped it up to like 20 times so you can see just how slow I was going. I was being real careful. I'm going to be using that same red Ohuhu. So it's brush tip at the top and then kind of felt tip at the bottom. So I wrote in all of my appointments. So I actually kind of edited this out of order, but I wanted to show you all of the future log at once. So next is my year in pixels. I am tracking a whole bunch. I'm tracking, let's see, doctor's appointments and all different kinds of doctor's appointments. I'm tracking my infusions, if I have to use my inhaler, so like my asthma symptoms, my pain level, the weather / pain. So what's the weather and what's my pain level? I'm tracking when I go to the bathroom because I'm on Mounjaro. The GLP-1s are infamous for making you have constipation, TMI, but I have to keep track of that or it'll be like 8 days. And I'm like, I haven't gone to the bathroom. So I'm trying to keep on top of that. Tracking, like I said, the weather, what else? Brain fog, fatigue. And I'm going to add exercise and brain fog, which I haven't added yet. So this is, again, really focusing in on how my year is going as far as my body and everything that it does and everything that it do. So I followed the stripes on the year in pixels, but I decided I didn't want them to go all the way across the page. So on the left-hand side, I put down, this is a strawberry washi tape. So it's got strawberries and flowers and stuff. And then on the right hand side, I thought it would be fitting to add strawberry shortcake on a bike and strawberry shortcake on roller skates, because one of the things I'm also going to be tracking is exercises. I've found a couple of creators on YouTube who do chair exercises, and I have a new desk chair where I can lift up the arms, and I thought this will be perfect. So here's a quick look at things again, and then here we go. I'm going to move into the pixels. So this is the glucose one. I thought it would be funny to add all of the desserts to this because I don't know. It's my humor, I guess. So I printed all of these just on regular copy paper. This is before I was able to get a different printer. My old printer would not lay down black toner all the time. So I printed them all out on sticker paper. It goes fine on regular copy paper, but on sticker paper, it looked a mess. So I went ahead and put these on copy paper, and that's why you see me adhering them in. I'm using another one of those rolls of washi tape. I don't know why I did this. I don't know why I did this because I didn't do it for the rest of them. And one of them, because I'm tracking my sleep as well, I had this really cute coloring page and a sticker that I was going to use for the sleep tracker, and I didn't. But maybe I can use that like in a monthly setup. I did not set this up for January, but I am planning on setting this up for July. Setting this up for February. So that will hopefully be a video in the next couple of weekends. Keep an eye out for that. So again, I am tracking a lot and just trying to keep on top of things. Spoiler alert, it's the 25th and I have not kept on top of things. So hopefully that will get a little bit better as we get into February. I think I mentioned at the beginning of the year, even at the end of December, I just felt behind. I have felt behind for forever. And so I feel like I'm finally getting caught up. I'm actually ahead, already have February set up in my planners. You can see that in tomorrow's video. So I feel like I'm getting a little bit more ahead. My craft room is clean. This was before my craft room was clean. So my desk was a mess. So I'm feeling much better about life in general. I also feel like I'm coming out of the depression I was in. I was taking a pill that caused mood issues and I didn't notice it until like I was deep in depression. So I was like, yeah, that's definitely another thing that I want to track. So that's why you see depression, etc. So I'm adding a character with their animal, and then so like Orange Blossom has 2 different marmalades. Lemon Meringue has frappe, and then I have one of her flowers. Raspberry Beret has its monkey and the raspberry, huckleberry pie, blueberry muffin, etc. So again, I'm using these markers for the tracker. I'm keeping them all in one cup on the desk, and I'm sticking with like red the traffic light system, adding orange for the ones that are like for paint and stuff like that. And then I brought in other colors for like the rest of them. The one that is the most colorful is my doctor's appointments. And then I haven't shown it yet, but I have one that tracks the weather in relation to my pain level. So here is a look at the book in real time. I think it turned out really cute. It was a challenge. It was a journey. This was a journey, but I think it turned out super cute. If you've been with me, you know that I'm uber obsessed with Strawberry Shortcake. And so, yeah. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Let me know what you think of this in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you tomorrow for another planner video. Bye for now.